Void and voidable marriages. So Article 37 provides that marriages between the following are incestuous and void from the beginning, whether relationship between the parties be legitimate or illegitimate. So first, between ascendants and descendants of any degree, and second, between brothers and sisters, whether of the full or half-blood. So here, take note that regardless if legitimate or illegitimate ang relationship between the ascendants and descendants of any degree, basta within the direct line, your marriage is void and considered incestuous. Same goes with paragraph 2, between relationship between brothers and sisters, whether of the full or half-blood, regardless if legitimate or illegitimate ang relationship. So, here sa Article 37, marriages kuno between ascendants and descendants of any degree and brothers and sisters, whether a full or half-blood, are considered void ab initio. So, this is an example illustration of the direct line sa ascendants and descendants. So, here, example, ikaw. Ang ascendants of descendants, imuhang ascendants of descendants kuno is within the direct line, or meaning, within the straight line lang. So, ikaw, from you to your father or mother, to your grandparents and your great-grandparents, mo na imuhang ascendants. So, also, from you to your kid and your grandchildren, basta within here, within the straight line, mao na ang, that's the basis of the direct line, kuno, as for the ascendants and descendants. So, thank you. That's all.